Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this planter box. With trellis made out of metal. 120 to 180 to 31 centimeter. Wow, this is a nice big device. The narrow raised bed with a climbing aid and a balcony privacy screen. A room divider for climbing plants in black finish. Space saving, Space Wonder, only 31 centimeter in the deep. That's a nice stuff, specially developed for narrow city balconies, with a depth of only 31 centimeter and a width of 120. This planter, with the trellis, makes the most of the space without blocking the passage. The total height of 180 creates a vertical graining in the smaller space. This is ideal as a space-saving room divider for outdoor or for the terrace partition. And geometric design and privacy balcony in once. More than just a climbing box, the modern geometric mosaic design looks extremely elegant and stands out from ordinary wooden grids. As soon as our plants rise on the trellis, an Obaqua green wall is created that serves as the perfect privacy screen and effectively protects us against the eyes of our neighbors. And optimal root depth and a healthy growth. Despite the slim profile, the 40 centimeter high planter with privacy protection offers a sufficient soil volume for deep rooted climbing plants, vegetables, or roses. Two integrated drain holes, this is a drainage, in the planter prevent the water logging and ensures a healthy root climate without rot. And it is made out of robust metal construction. This is against the wood. That means durable quality for a garden. It is made of thick walled powder coated steel. This raised bed with a climbing aid is completely weatherproof and rust-proof too. A durable maintenance-free alternative that does not rust, rot, or mold, and unlike wooden boxes, it stands there for years. It still looks like new after a couple of years, of course. And screwed stability and storm-proof, so we have a maximum safety. The well-touched out, firmly screwed construction. It comes included the M6 screws. Guarantees an extremely stable stem that far exceed conventional plug-in systems. Due to the inherent weight of the soil is the metal trembling. The system is tilt-proof even in windy environments. Easy assembly in only, I think, in 20 minutes or something else. You will continue this. But you can go each other with me together to assemble this in another video. It designs our urban oasis. We turn our balcony into a stylish private retreat. The geometric design provides a privacy protected without constricting. Stainless metal, integrated drainage, deep planting volume, all included. Windproof, stainless, robust material, really nice agility. Metal plant box with trellis. Beauty or personal areas with that planter. A nice screen. You can get climbing plants into it. And of course, you can hang up planters or something else. As you need it, as you like it, you can get it with this free lawn planter box. This is a nice planter box made out of nice stuff. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!